Lindstrom Workwear service is the safest and most professional way of arranging the workwear of a company's personnel. Lindstrom has years of experience with workwear. Our selection covers workwear for the service sector as well as for demanding conditions. We are a reliable partner who supplies, washes, maintains and delivers clean workwear to you within the agreed schedule. Our service includes a needs analysis, solution proposal, fitting, as well as acquisition and delivery of the selected products. In connection with the service start, we will make an extensive needs analysis and estimate together with the customer the personnel's workwear needs while observing seasonal variations. In the initial assessment, we will determine what kind of workwear is required in different duties, how many clean garments each user needs for 1 week, and whether any protective garments are needed. We have the right solution for companies and communities of all sizes. Our experience and broad clientele provide us with a perspective that allows us to recommend exactly the right solution to each customer. Then we will prepare a solution proposal, specifying the workwear and the amounts needed. Customers have the opportunity to try on the garments in order to choose the correct model and size. We will procure the textiles through our reliable supply chain and deliver them to our customer as agreed. Lindstrom's locker service guarantees that each employee has clean garments in a personal locker. Our convenient lockers fit small spaces and help keep the premises tidy. The various elements of our continuous service ensure a flexible, trouble-free service chain. We will carry out our weekly service visits as agreed, delivering clean workwear and picking up used garments for maintenance. In connection with washing and maintenance, we will check the condition of the workwear and repair or replace any garments as necessary. Our flexible service also enables increases or decreases in product quantities as necessitated by, for example, changes in the number of personnel. Thanks to this, your staff always has access to a sufficient quantity of workwear, but you avoid unnecessary purchases and storage. We take environmental concerns into account throughout the lifespan of our products and services. Responsibility is a genuine part of all our operations. We take care of the disposal and recycling of worn-out products as applicable. We are committed to taking into account the environmental impact of our operations and to meeting the requirements of laws and regulations in all our activities. Regular communication with our appointed contact person ensures that our service smoothly caters to your varying needs and circumstances. A company using Lindstrom Workwear service can rest assured that it always has access to clean, tidy workwear in line with the corporate image. Your personnel will appreciate the service and look good.